On this episode of Inside the Blueprint, we'll learn about precast concrete solutions, leasing mineral rights, external coatings and linings manufacturing, plus lots more. The world of precast concrete is evolving at an unprecedented pace. These innovations are not just transforming construction, but are also shaping the cities of the future. Let's learn more from the experts at Locke Solutions.
So we've been in business almost 11 years. We have about 180 people that work for us collectively in 3 different locations. The culture here is really about being responsive to our customers and to each other. What makes Locke Solutions so unique, it really boils down to the people. We have a group of people that are all working together. They enjoy being with each other, and ultimately it creates a better experience for our customer.
Our first stop on this journey through precast concrete innovations takes us to a state-of-the-art precast concrete facility.
Some of the misconceptions about precast is the extended lead times, the carbon emissions that emitted because precast concrete has cement in it, and cement's a very high carbon emitter in the industry. However, precast is a product that can be a fast solution. It reduces downtime out in the market as far as being poured in place versus a cast in place solution. Additionally, there's areas around being more sustainable for concrete. So we currently serve different markets around the United States. So that includes industrial, downstream markets, as well as commercial. We also do support the port and the infrastructure. That includes roads, ports, airports, and marine.
Precast concrete construction is revolutionizing the industry. It allows for faster project completion, reduced waste, and improved quality control.
Other solutions to precast would be cast in place. And so that's where we actually step in, is taking cast in place and making it precast. So some of the advantages of precast are the improved lead time. So typically, once we're done with drawings and designs are approved, the time frame for us to build the rebar cages that give the precast its strength to pouring it inside our custom molds or getting the product ready for delivery, that is usually about 72 hours. So we really see ourselves as leading technology. Being an innovator is really core to our values. We really want to ensure that we're leading that technology path in our concrete mix, our design mix, as well as trying to be more sustainable.
From sustainable designs to cutting-edge automation, Locke Solutions has it all covered.
So there are several technology innovations that we're involved with here at Locke. One of them being OCR, which we're actually implementing with our accounting process. This type of software takes text and digital images from scanned documents to fine-tune and further automate our accounting process. So we have several innovations that we're involved with here at Locke. One of them really being a customer-focused app that we developed and created. And what this is going to allow our customers to do is to be able to track the status of their product. And another technology innovation is business information modeling. And what this involves is creating engineered models that our customers will be able to access nationwide. So our website was designed really with the customer in mind. All of our products and our resources are easily accessible on the website for our customers to use. We also have an instant pricing tool where customers can get exact information that they need on whatever product that they're interested in making. EV blocks are EV charging point foundations that we manufacture. This type of product is actually a lot better compared to the conventional version of cast in place. So they also have an adapter plate, which makes them virtually adaptable to any other chargers on the market.
So Carbon Lock Concrete is our initiative to become more sustainable. So one of our technical advantages is being able to develop our own mix. In so doing, we worked with a company called Carbon Cure, who actually developed a system that we can inject liquid carbon dioxide into our mix. We're actually able to reduce our net carbon footprint almost all the way up to 120 pounds of carbon per cubic yard of concrete we pour. So our mobile precast division is an initiative that we've developed that takes all of our core processes at our headquarters, and it allows us to take all of our knowledge to our customer site and build precast on site. So sustainability for us is really trying to help make that reduced carbon footprint. We really want to be the leader in building a sustainable American infrastructure.
Locke Solutions is able to produce a better product at an affordable rate and that benefits everyone.
We're going where our customers are taking us and where our people want to go. So for us, that looks like expanding into new products and new geographic markets. The products and services that we're providing, they're not going away anytime soon. and we're going to be doing that for a long time.
For more information about Locke Solutions, visit their website, locksolutions.com. And of course, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com. America's oil industry is booming. The opportunities of oil and gas leases can be numerous. Knowing the land and the community can make all the difference. Let's talk to the experts at Mountain Lion Oil and Gas to discover the potential benefits and what you need to know.
If you have oil and gas under your property, you're going to be talking to a landman, either to sell mineral rights, sell royalties, buy half, sell half, or do an oil and gas lease. Whenever you do an oil and gas lease, an operator or operators are interested in the area beneath your property. There could be oil there, there could be nothing there, it could be just natural gas. But they're going to come in and negotiate an oil and gas lease with you. Now, just because you own 100 acres, you're going to be part of, let's call it, an 1,800 acre unit. Your 100 acres is important, but they don't have to have you. They have to have about, depending on the state, 50% of that land leased. So you don't want to be the first person to lease. You don't want to be the last person to lease. But you definitely want to be in the middle somewhere so you get a good lease bonus and you get a good royalty. Being a family business, we keep it very simple. Do your job, be good at what you're good at. If you're not, ask questions. There's no pride in this company. And everything's a circle. If you treat people with respect, they're going to treat you with respect.
Understanding the agreement is of the utmost importance. Mountain Lion Oil and Gas provides a seamless, straightforward process in all their negotiations.
You can think of mineral rights as subsurface real estate. It is basically the legal right to extract minerals in the ground, usually oil and gas. You are negotiating a percentage of the profits that come out of the ground. A strategy we use is really being more personable. A lot of companies are so large that it's very tough to get a human being on a cell phone. A lot of people like face-to-face. We like to shake hands, look landowners in the eyes. When they have questions, they pick up the phone and they call us. We're more nimble on decision makings. If they have a certain clause that they'd really like to be included in their oil and gas lease, we can make decisions a lot faster. There's a lot less, bureaucracy in a small shop that we are. So we're able to, offer better rates, better royalties, and better signing bonuses because we lack that overhead.
I'm a senior landman here at Mountain Lion Oil and Gas. My role is to acquire mineral interest. I do that by determining the value, ownership, and potential risk of a property. Once we've determined all those factors, I need to go back and make sure that I have the proper owner. I do that by a lot of title search. We need to make sure who we're paying for the minerals actually own the minerals. And I do that by starting with the current owner and running the title back, sometimes all the way back to 1880s, to the inception of land patents by the U.S. Once we have purchased that interest, my role is to determine what we want to do with it. We can add it to our inventory of roughly 2,800 wells we have throughout the U.S., or potentially sell it for a bigger profit to another company.
Harnessing cutting-edge technologies empowers engineers to enhance their expertise in assessing land for mineral rights acquisitions.
As an operator, the characteristics they're looking for is continuous acreage that is over a favorable geologic formation. They are looking to drill wells that have high production and low declines. They want continuous acreage because it provides economies of scale within the area. It also makes it easier to understand the geology in the area, and it makes it easier to replicate the positive results. From a royalty buyer's perspective, you're really just trying to get in front of the operator, trying to understand where the operator is going so you can acquire the royalties before the operator begins developing their acreage. Because once that happens, the value of the royalties would go up tremendously.
So the future goals of Mountain Lion Oil and Gas, currently we're managing about $40 million. And for a company that never took on any private equity, as we have gotten older, we realized the value is be able to take on as much money as possible. So in the next 3 years, we plan to grow to about $200 million and get a great return on investment for our investors there. We want to be a mineral shop that's here for the long term. The main goal we started this company was so Griffin and I could both have a 90-page probate with a list of oil and gas wells. We've currently surpassed that. We both have interest in over 2,800 gas wells total, and we're only an 8-year company. Our goal is to treat people with respect, grow our company accordingly, be a company worth trusting, and a company people want to do business with.
For more information about Mountain Lion Oil and Gas, visit their website, mountainlionoil.com. And of course, visit our website, InsideTheBlueprint.com. Corrosion prevention is a critical concern in the oil and gas industry, particularly when it comes to injection tubing and casing. To address these issues, various corrosion prevention measures are employed. Let's learn more from the experts at Permian Enterprises.
Permian Enterprises has been servicing the oil and gas industry since 1948. We provide a turnkey solution to our customers through a wide array of services. Our Inspection and Reclamation Department provides electromagnetic inspection services, otherwise known as EMI, to determine the wall loss in tubing and casing that has been exposed downhole. We provide full-length threading capability, ranging from 2 1/16 inch tubing all the way to 5.5 inch casing. Our hydroblast and drill out services have the capability to clear tubing that has been plugged up with cement, scale, and paraffin. Through our internal plastics coating division, we provide an internal corrosion solution to our customers. Through our 3 facilities, we apply fusion bonded epoxies to our customer's steel. The type of epoxy we apply depends on the well environment the tubing and casing is being exposed to. We have the capability to coat from 2 3/8 tubing all the way to 7 inch casing and provide an internal corrosion solution to our customers' corrosion needs. The wrapping department provides external corrosion protection, wrapping our customer's steel in a Riton non-woven fabric infused with a 2-part epoxy mixture. Once cured, this furnishes our customer's steel with a robust corrosion protection. Through our 3 facilities, we're providing an internal corrosion solution to oil country tubular goods in the Permian Basin.
Threading, couplings, and connections are manufactured using specifications that are carefully managed by a highly skilled team of quality assurance and quality control Lincoln professionals.
Lincoln Manufacturing services the OCTG industry in a number of ways. We provide full-length threading services for the OCTG market. We provide couplings ranging from 4.5 to up to 20 inch diameter couplings to the market. And we provide accessories to the market that range from pup joints to float equipment to a myriad of other accessories. We're one of the only companies within the continental U.S. that's able to provide threading, coupling, and accessory services at the capacity that we do. What makes Lincoln Manufacturing unique from others in the OCTG market is we're able to provide turnkey solutions to our customers. Customers need threading services, couplings coupled onto the end of the pipe. That enables our customers to minimize their supply chain efforts in coming to the one-stop shop. Lincoln Manufacturing takes pride in our extensive threading license portfolio that we feel is second to none. We have over 300,000 square feet of combined manufacturing space with over 140 CNC machines. We're able to provide a comprehensive, customer-centric, rapid response solution to our customers. The standards that's required in the OCTG market, we feel that we often exceed our customer requirements. Our licenses include ISO 9001, API or American Petroleum Institute Q1, API 5CT, and API Spec 7-2. By holding these certifications, that has allowed us to provide over 30 million couplings to the OCTG market to date.
The ability to handle all types of transportation and storage needs is what sets Frontier Tubular Solutions apart from the rest.
Frontier provides pipe services, transportation, and storage to the North American energy sector. We service oil and gas companies, pipe distribution, and pipe manufacturing companies as well. The primary focus of our Houston, Texas, and Edmond, Oklahoma operations is pipe inspection and pipe threading. Why is pipe inspection important to the industry? Today, with the wells that are being drilled becoming more and more expensive, some up to $10 million, pipe inspection is very important to make sure the integrity of the pipe in the hole is there to protect against the well failure. Frontier Tubular provides API certified threading at both its Edmond, Oklahoma location and its Houston, Texas facility. We also have assembled numerous semi-premium proprietary licenses at our Edmond, Oklahoma facility, allowing us to support the Mid-Continent region. Pipe Vault is Frontier Tubular's inventory software system. Pipe Vault allows the customer to set up on its own portal, which allows them to check their inventory and all inbound and outbound shipments at our facilities from their own mobile device. The fact that we design and own the software allows us to make the changes needed to help our customer manage their inventory at all Frontier Tubular's locations.
The value we bring through our inspection, reclamation, and corrosion control services is twofold. From an ROI perspective, it maximizes the lifespan of the equipment. It also has a positive impact on the environment by protecting it from potential contamination due to premature failure. Extending the lifespan also uses less steel, which helps us to help our customers manage its carbon footprint.
Our company culture is one that recognizes that our people are our most competitive advantage. We place a high degree of focus on recruiting and retention to support the growth and profitability of the company, while also ensuring we provide competitive benefits, ongoing training, and career advancement to better the lives of our employees and their families. We understand that our people are our greatest asset, and without them, we would not be as successful. It is our policy to ensure a healthy and safe working environment for all of our employees. We foster a culture of prevention and awareness where employees are empowered to be leaders in the area of safety and have the authority to stop unsafe practices they may identify.
The consolidated group of companies underneath the Frontier banner has positioned us well within the oil and gas industry to be able to service our customers' oil country tubular goods efficiently and cost effectively. And the addition to our group of companies of Lincoln Manufacturing in the late part of 2022 allowed us to increase our full-length threading capabilities within our organization, as well as adding large-scale coupling manufacturing to our list of services.
For more information on the Frontier family of companies, visit their websites at permianenterprises.com, frontiertubulars.com, and lincolnmanufacturing.com. And of course, visit our website at insidetheblueprint.com. Travel nursing is far from your ordinary nursing job. It's a profession that merges healthcare expertise and an inherent sense of adventure. As a travel nurse, you have the unique chance to venture into diverse locations while delivering essential care to patients requiring your assistance. Now, what exactly makes travel nursing such an enticing career? Let's delve into the reasons behind its widespread appeal.
We partner with seasoned healthcare professionals who want to travel to facilities in need. There are a couple reasons that travel nursing is important. It helps with gaps in staffing, and it's very, very important that quality of care is not sacrificed because of the shortage. It's cost effective in many ways. On average, I would say it takes about 6 months to find a qualified nurse. Slate Healthcare can get you a quality nurse on an assignment within about 2 weeks.
Travel nursing holds a significant and invaluable role within the healthcare industry.
Slate Healthcare has a solid, proven track record in the travel nurse industry with over 25 years of combined expert experience. One misconception is travel nurse agencies are for new and inexperienced nurses, which is simply not true. A minimum of 2 years of experience is required for all travel nurses. New nurses can benefit from working in different settings, but it's more so suited for nurses with more experience. Our expert team also assures that our nurses are licensed and possess all required credentialing for each assignment.
One of the biggest benefits of working with Slate is our technology. We have custom built an in-house portal that is the nerve center of Slate. Part of this portal is that we have streamlined the credentialing process. Data privacy is very important to us, so we keep all the data on Slate servers and we never share any data with any other third party. We have a state-of-the-art resume parsing technology which helps us quickly and efficiently gather data from a candidate's resume and generate a profile. This reduces the time the candidate has to spend filling out forms so they can focus on pursuing the right opportunities. It gives us the right information so we can quickly match them to a right assignment.
Every nurse has a dedicated one-on-one recruiter. If it's your first time traveling, they're gonna hold your hand a little bit. We make sure the travel arrangements are made, airplane tickets, baggage, booking. We make sure that you can get the rental car you need to get to the facility if you should need one. We make sure the housing is in place before you get there. We wanna make it as seamless and as comfortable as it can be for the traveler. We have the most competitive rates in the nation. We have sign-on bonuses, we have ending bonuses, we have extra incentives, referral bonuses. We want to make sure you're taken care of.
Slate Healthcare is dedicated to connecting passionate nurses with incredible opportunities, benefits, and challenges of this dynamic profession.
My decision on becoming a traveling nurse was not because of the work, but a lifestyle. It gives me the benefits of being able to take an assignment, work consecutively, 13 weeks, 26 weeks, and then I can take off and be with my family and friends 5 weeks or 6 weeks. Every moment I am pleased that I made the decision to travel as a nurse with Slate Healthcare.
The compensation part of it is a big factor. You get paid higher rates as a travel nurse than being on staff, and the benefits are better. Also, just the support. Whenever I needed something, it was always someone here within the team that was able to answer my questions. To me, that means a lot, especially when we're out on the road and we need to have that support.
With over 25 years of combined experience in the travel nursing industry, Slate Healthcare brings a wealth of knowledge and expertise to the table.
Partnering with reputable healthcare facilities means our nurses have access to top-tier hospitals known for their excellence in patient care. These facilities offer advanced technology, specialized units, a diverse patient population, providing our nurses with valuable learning experiences and professional growth.
Travel nursing is not just a job, it's an adventure that will challenge you, shape you, and allow you to have a meaningful impact in the lives of patients and communities all around the country. Explore new places, immerse yourself in diverse cultures, and expand your horizons both professionally and personally. When you become a travel nurse, you embark on an extraordinary journey, one that will shape your life, your nursing career, and enrich you in ways you cannot even imagine.
For more information about Slate Healthcare, visit their website, slatehealthcare.com. And of course, visit our website, insidetheblueprint.com. For more information about anything you've seen on today's show, or to become part of Inside the Blueprint, go to our website, insidetheblueprint.com.